Hi guys, in this tutorial on high texture repetition, this is a repeated texture. As you can see, from this to this, I want to choose this one. Okay, the repetition is disappeared. Okay, let's go. First thing first, open the engine. Okay, go to game is right here, select third person. This one, rename it high texture repetition. Hit create. Now let's go to here to file, new level, choose basic level, delete this one, selection mode, choose landscape mode, hit create. Okay, now let's go here to the file marketplace and search for grass texture, for example. Choose a texture to hide the repetition. Choose material and texture, set filter, price to free. Search for grass, for example. Okay, let's choose, for example, gravel, moss grass. Choose highest quality as possible, raw quality. And now let's go here. Selection mode. Add the future pack, add content. We have to add the starter content. Go to content, add to my project. Okay, fine. Okay, the downloading is finished. It's importing the file. This one. Let's go here to content drawer and see our grass. Let's go here to the material. Select landscape. And let's go here. Select this one and go right here. Press this button. Okay, look at this. There is a lot of repetition. I want to hide this repetition. How can I do that? It's very simple. We have to go here to content, starter content, materials. I want to choose, for example, this grass. Duplicate this one, hide repetition on the name. Fine, where is hide repetition? And go here. Move right here. On my grass repetition right here, open this material. I want to modify this material. Okay, how to do that? We have to go here. Once it's opened, let's return here to the fab. I want not choose, go to the row here and choose this texture. Okay, select the first one, this texture sample, right here. Make it right there. And select this one and go here. Do the same thing. The other one. Select this one. Go right here. Add my macro variation texture to the same one. Okay. What's the problem? Select this texture and make it here. Okay, basic architecture, simple. Choose this one. Add the texture. And do the same thing here to the macro variation. Okay, now let's move to the normal map. Select it. Go here. Replace it right here. And go down right here. Modulate pixel depth with noise. Make this 5000. hit apply, save this level, go right here to the content, select my texture and replace it right there. Okay, look at this. The repetition is disappeared. Okay, it looks very nice. Okay, thank you guys for watching this or for this tutorial.